welcome back to the channel, guys. It's a new day filled with new blessings, and we are here in Japan. No, you're lying, guys. We are here at Jackson Park in Chicago. Yes, guys, as you can see, the buds are out on the trees. It is springtime here in Chicago. So a few weeks ago, it was looking more superb. There has been a lot of rain, so a lot of the blossom fell off, but it sure looks beautiful. A lot of people are out taking picture of the beautiful scenery. Alright, guys, so right across from the cherry blossom is the Museum of Science. Now, it's the first time we've been to Jackson Park, and we have never been to the Museum of Science, but in our 2025 Chicago series, I think we might be going there. But the cherry blossom, they are beautiful, guys, so we get to see them without going to Japan. So we actually save a lot of money. A lot of people are here taking picture, even wedding picture. So this time of the year, if you're getting married, you can actually come and get some beautiful pictures with the cherry blossom. They are beautiful. Now, these trees, they were planted in 2013 to honor the relationship between Chicago and Japan. Alright, guys, so we just left Jackson Park and now we're at Durham Park, and inside this park, the Promontory point is located in this park, which gives you a epic view of the Chicago skyline along the lake shore. We have never been to this part of Chicago before. We have been in many places if you have watched our 2024 Chicago series, but haven't been here. So I guess for 2025 we will be taking you guys a lot of new places that we have never been, and we might visit some of those epic places from last year. We are at Flyover Chicago, which is located at Navy Pier. It's, I would say, one of the touristic things to do whenever you come to Chicago. It's like a simulation that takes you through and over the city. So we have never experienced it before, so we are here today to experience it.
I'm Ren, and I'm so excited to welcome you to Flyover. You're about to be transported to one of the world's most captivating places. You'll see, hear, and feel it like you've never experienced before. At Flyover, we believe that experiencing epic places and meeting awesome people awakens a sense of wonder and a spirit of discovery. And right now, you are at the beginning of your journey. A custom immersive experience awaits upstairs, followed by a short safety briefing, and then you'll move on.
Chicago is a heartbeat of the country.
We all have a different story of how we got here. It's really cool to see people from all over the world come together.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to baseball.
We survived our fly over Chicago. Well, we didn't know what we were signing up for, but the experience was insane. It's like going on a roller coaster. I've never done a roller coaster ride before, but I think that's how it feels, and being in a helicopter. So if you want to save yourself a bunch of money and see all the, I would say, the top spots in the city, the entire skyline, Flyover Chicago is the experience. It is a must. You see the Chicago theater, they went through the theater the air and water show, the fireworks, the bean, they touch every single where. So is it too touristy to do? I don't think so. So it's what, $33.95? Well, $34 and on a regular day, but on Tuesdays it's $20. But they do flyovers in different countries, so you have options. So if you're in Chicago, the flyover is definitely, I would say, a must if you want to see the city the real way, the aerial way, if you want to save some money. Guys, we haven't had dinner as yet, but we're here at Fire Cakes, so it's dessert for dinner.
Oh, did you get some napkins? Still as good as you remember?
Yeah. The best.
You are my sunshine. You are my sun.